equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will delve into the common issues surrounding the Nintendo Switch, particularly focusing on battery and motherboard problems. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a tree wing screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a pair of tweezers. Having a clean workspace is essential, so ensure your area is tidy and well lit. Begin by powering off your Nintendo Switch completely. This is crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during the repair process. Next, use the tree wing screwdriver to remove the screws located at the back of the device. There are 4 screws to take out, so keep them in a safe place to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be cautious as there are delicate components inside. After removing the back cover, you will see the battery connected to the motherboard. If you notice any swelling or damage to the battery, it's a clear sign that it needs replacing. To disconnect the battery, carefully lift the connector using your tweezers. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can assess the situation for you. Now, let's inspect the motherboard. Look for any visible signs of damage, such as burnt components or corrosion. If you see any dust or debris, use a soft brush to clean the area gently. It's important to keep the internal components clean to ensure optimal performance. If you suspect that the motherboard is faulty, it may require further testing. At this point, if you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This service allows you to avoid the hassle of traveling and waiting in line. Next, if you're replacing the battery, take the new battery and connect it to the motherboard. Ensure that the connection is secure. Once connected, replace the back cover and screw it back in place using the tree wing screwdriver. Make sure all screws are tightened properly to avoid any rattling. After reassembling, power on your Nintendo Switch to check if the issue has been resolved. If it powers on and functions correctly, congratulations! You've successfully completed the repair. However, if the problem persists, it might be time to consider professional help. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront without any surprises. In summary, addressing battery and motherboard issues in your Nintendo Switch can be straightforward with the right tools and knowledge. Always prioritize safety and cleanliness during the process. If you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Our services are designed to make your life easier, with no calls and no travel required. Happy gaming! Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.